Pag-abot, kundi una na ako, nakibot ako na mas damo na galing ang nakauna sa ako. Ang iba, no, alas 5 pa lang nagbuktaw na para magkadto. Diri, tama? Excited ka mo na sa parako nila, karon? Sige, I know nung iba nakapoy man yung nagtutulong sa travel, so I will start na lang. I would like, no, allow me to first warmly acknowledge and extend my deepest respect to our provincial leaders who continue to champion health and nutrition in Iloilo. Palangga, gid ka mo ni Vice Governor Natalie Dibuque. Nagkadto gid siya, no, para lang maghatag sa message sa inyo. Sa aton, na Provincial Health Officers, Dr. Maria Socorro Quinyon, Dr. Wendell Marcelo, and of course, sa kay Engineer Carmelo Orbesta sa DILG. Sa aton nga mga speakers, of course, sa Barangay Nutrition Scholars and Nutrition Workers, hep hep! Hooray! Very good, kaya pamatigid. Your presence signifies our shared resolve to uplift the health and dignity of every Ilonggo families. It is my honor on behalf of our Director 3, Dr. Maria Sofia Colmones of the Department of Health, Western Visayas Center for Health Development to join you in this third Barangay Nutrition Scholar Convention. Today, we are not just holding a gathering. We are celebrating a powerful community bound by service, passion, and common vision for healthier Iloilo. Our theme, BNS Kaagapay sa Pagkakaisa, katuwang para sa nutrisyong sapat at seguridad sa pagkain tungo sa more progress Iloilo, reminds us that progress becomes truly meaningful only when it is shared, supported, and sustained by collective action. At the heart of that action, our dear BNS. Kamo ang frontline champion who embody the spirit of compassion and dedication across every barangay. Kamo ang nagaway sa children, nag-counsel sa parents, kag nag-identify sa vulnerable family, ensuring that no mother, no child, and no household is left behind. Tuod, no, makapoy ang obra naton sa health. Pero tanan ini ginaobra naton para sa ikaayong lawas sa aton mga kasimanwa. Ang serbisyo ninyo bilang BHW, ang matawag naton nga unseen force, it strengthens our community health. Your work may be quiet, but it is impactful. Ang tanan ninyo nga ginaobra sa dalong, gina-value, gininan naton. As we move forward with the Philippine Plan for Action for Nutrition, we may face new challenges, but also new opportunities. It calls on us to reduce all forms of malnutrition, strengthen food security, and build communities where every child has a chance to grow smart, healthy, and strong. But plans alone are not enough. It is the people behind the plan. So kamo, mga BNS, our LGU partners, kagag ang aton nga provincial leaders who brings these goals to life. This is why the Department of Health, Western Visayas Center for Health Development stands firmly committed to our strong partnership with the provincial government of Iloilo. Together, we have built a foundation of trust, collaboration, and shared purpose. And together, we will continue forward hand in hand to ensure that more Progress Iloilo becomes a reality, not just for some, but for all. To our barangay nutrition scholars here today, may today remind you of your importance, your strength, and your irreplaceable role in shaping the health of our community. You are not merely workers on the ground. You are the catalyst of change, pillars of hope, and partners in the fight against malnutrition. Salamat gid sa inyong mainit, matutong, kag matutuod nga serbisyo. Let us continue working with unity, compassion, and determination for well-nourished child, for empowered community, for stronger Iloilo, and for healthier Western Visayas. Madamo gid nga salamat sa tanan, kag sa liwat, maayong aga.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Jeff Laurie Borja. Ang ihatagan natin iwan silog sa patulog ng pagpamalakad. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will be entertained by an intermission number coming from Iloilo National High School, Schools for the Arts.